Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious pork pho, step by step. First, let's start with the broth. Begin by roasting about 3 pounds of pork bones, along with 1 large onion and a 3-inch piece of ginger, until lightly browned. This crucial step develops a deep, savory base. Then, transfer these to a large pot, add 12 cups of water, and simmer for at least 3 hours, regularly skimming any foam or impurities that rise to the surface. Now, let's infuse those signature pho aromatics. Gently toast about 5-star anise pods, 2 cinnamon sticks, and 10 cloves in a dry pan until they become wonderfully fragrant. Place these toasted spices into a small spice bag or cheesecloth bundle and add it to your simmering broth for the last hour of cooking. Finally, season the broth with 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of rock sugar, and a pinch of salt to achieve that perfect balance of sweet, savory, and umami. With our broth simmering beautifully, let's prepare the other key components. You'll want to thinly slice about 1 pound of cooked pork, such as tenderloin or flavorful belly, against the grain. Next, prepare your pho noodles. If using dried noodles, soak them according to package directions, then blanch them quickly in boiling water for about 30 seconds. For fresh noodles, a quick 20-second blanch is usually sufficient. Arrange these perfectly cooked noodles and the sliced pork in your serving bowls. The moment has arrived to assemble your incredible pork pho. Carefully ladle the piping hot, aromatic broth over the prepared noodles and pork in each bowl. The heat of the broth will gently warm everything through. Now, for the fresh elements. Generously garnish with a handful of fresh cilantro, a few sprigs of Thai basil, and thinly sliced green onions. Serve with lime wedges, sliced chilies, and hoisin sauce on the side, allowing everyone to customize their perfect bowl. Enjoy your homemade pho.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.